In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps Street View on mobile. This works for iPhone or Android, so it doesn't matter which phone that you're on. So what you want to do is go to your Google Maps, and if you don't have Google Maps, you'll have to go ahead and download it from the App Store, but it's very easy to do. So I'm in Philadelphia, so what I'm going to do is actually just zoom in really, really close, just to kind of get a spot to choose, and let's just click here. So when you click a location on Google Maps, it'll drop a pin. So what that pin's going to do is it's going to give you all this information about where the pin is. But what it's also going to do is it's going to give you a preview of what the street view looks like. So if you look closely to the middle of the screen right above where the address is, you're going to see a little square to the left, and you could tell that it's like in-person view. So you just want to go ahead and click that, and that's going to give you a street view. So from this point, you can just kind of like go in. You can use the arrows to go back and forth. You can also double click on your screen, and that's just going to allow you to navigate through a street view, just in case you want to see what it looks like right in person. It's totally up to you what you want to use this for. So that is how you would go ahead and use your Google Maps Street View on your phone. And I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.